down 38.12% in 2022. Is Applied Materials Incorporated stock a buy for 2023? I'm going to answer that question looking at a few different metrics in this video, so stay tuned till the end. The first thing I'm going to look at is Applied Materials quarterly revenue growth going back before 2014, and you can see very nice revenue growth trends in a cyclical industry that sometimes experiences downturns, and in fact it's experiencing a downturn right now with the glut of semiconductor chips around. Applied Materials, however, got some good news in 2022 with several of its customers announcing billions, hundreds of billions of dollars of investments, including Taiwan Semiconductor, including others that are going to invest in expanding chip capacity, and Applied Materials sells the tools to them. And so that's going to be good news for Applied Materials over the next 5 to 10 years. And these things are going to continue to be needed. In my opinion, the semiconductor chip industry is going to continue growing for the next 5 to 10 years. So investors need not worry about near-term headwinds in the industry. In fact, it could be investing opportunities if you can find the right place to invest in. If the stock prices have come down enough and valuation is down enough, it might be a good time to invest in those down cyclical moments of a predictably cyclical industry. The next thing I want to look at is operating income. If revenue is growing nicely, is operating income growing? And the answer is yes. Applied Material is showing very nice growth in operating income, growing to 1.994 billion in its most recent quarter. That's way above where it was, let's say in 2014, 15, 16, where operating income per quarter was less than 600 million. So it's making very nice progress. I like to see that from companies that I'm investing in. Next, let's look at its cash flow from operations, and again, very nice growth, and until more recently, the downturn and down to 857 million, and this could again be explained by the near-term headwinds in the industry, fewer orders of any near-term production, and so its cash flow from operations could be decreasing as it's building up its inventories, where it's not yet sold them yet, but it's building them up, getting ready for future sales, but those sales are not yet materializing, right? Its customers need to announce that they're being prudent and that they're not buying, investing in capacity right now at this moment, because there's a glut in the industry and they want to tell their investors and show their investors that they're being prudent. And so Applied Materials could, experience a headwind for the next few quarters. That wouldn't surprise me. However, longer term, I think that they're in a good position. I like where their cash flow from operations and their operating profitability is trending longer term. So I wouldn't be alarmed with the near term headwinds because they've proven that they can deal with the cyclical swings. Finally, let's look at its valuation to determine if Applied Materials AMAT stock is a buy. So let's look at its price to earnings forward ratio at 15.96. It's about trading at an average valuation compared to the S&P 500. And then looking at price to free cash flow of 20.36, it's again close to the average of the S&P 500 and also close to its own historical average going back before 2019 in the last 5 years or so. So to answer the question, is Applied Materials stock a buy, an excellent stock to buy for 2023? I'm going to say yes. You've got a stock in an industry that's got long-term secular tailwinds with near-term headwinds that's given you an opportunity to buy its stock at a lower valuation. So yes, the stock is a buy right now. All right, so thank you for staying tuned till the end. That's all I've got for this video. I'll see you next time. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.